Welcome to the new episode. Today we are going to build using Python the Flask application, the simple RESTful API. Also, as a database, we'll be using SQLite. Without further ado, let's start it. First of all, we will need to import from Flask few things. First, of course, Flask. Then we need just JSONify and also the request. And we need to import SQLite 3. Of course, the only thing that we need to have, we need to just install the package Flask in that main. First of all, whenever we are installing our Flask packages, we should move to the next step, which will be getting the database connection. So definition of getting database connection, and without an arguments, here we are going connect equals SQLite 3 that connect, and we'll create some kind of bookstore, we can call it. So books.db, the naming convention is up to you, of course. The next thing that we need, just const row factory, and we need SQLite 3.row, and that's for accessing results like, for example, dictionaries. And we will return the con as a connection. And the next thing, we need to initialize. First we should, but right now we are going to initialize our database. So definition, def function, db, without any arguments, come on. And here we're going db, get db connection. So we create books table if it does not exist with db that execute, and here we need to get multi-line string and create table if not exists books, and there we are going to have id integer, it will be primary key, also auto increment. The next thing is title, and it's text not null. Also we need, it will be very easy application, not build so big, so not null. Also we need author, and our author will be text also and not null in that case. And we need to close the parentheses, and that's all. After we initialize our database, get the database connection, the next thing we are going to get the app, the Flask app. And to work with that, if you don't know, we need Flask, and here as the name. That's all. Of course, we need to initialize our database. It's very crucial, it's very important to do that. To remember that we need also to initialize our database. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is to get some routes. First of all, what we can do, we can get definition, the creator of app.route, and here we are going to the books, and the methods will be get, because first of all we are going to get the thing. I just get some sample data for us, so copy and paste. Don't worry, I will provide all the code in the description that you can just also copy and paste. And we need dev get books over there, and we need to then, whenever we've got that route the books, we need to return all of the books. So return JSONify books to return a list of all our books. Okay, whenever we've got that main route, we can call it, what we can also do, we can get the post methods. So update route slash books. Also our methods will be post, and def will be add book, because we need only one to add right now. And we need, first of all, book data equals request, the request that we are going to have, and get the JSON. And with that request, we will not check everything right now. I'm going to tell you and show you how to build quite simple and easy JSON Flask with SQLite application. So DB, get DB connection, then DB.execute, and here we are going to insert into books. We need title and author, as you can see over there, and over there. And we need values as question marks. And inside that question marks, we are going to pass the book data from title, and also as the second argument will be book data as a author. Okay. And we've got both of them. We need a new line, and in that new line, we are going to DB and comment it to our database. Now, new book ID, we need also that, DB.execute. Here, select last insert row ID, and we need after that page 1, and it will be the first one. DB.close, so we closing that connection, and we return as JSONify the ID, and it will be new book ID. That's what we are having right now, and all of the data from book data. And also we need to pass the response status, and if everything's go okay, we are going to have 201 as the status for it's okay. The last route that we are going to build right now is that route, and we are going to have the books, and here we are going to pass the ID element of our book. If you don't know how to do that, I will later on create also something about Flask, but if you know, we need to visualize, in our case it's integer, and it's like book ID. Methods, of course, we are getting that, so get. And come on, what do you need? And right now, definition of get book, and it will be like book ID, and we need to return only the single book by its ID. That's why we need that book ID as an argument. For book, in books, we need if book ID equal book ID. We need to handle that. Return JSONify. We need to return whenever we've got the book. Okay. And if there will be nothing that will pass our test, we need to have return JSONify. JSONify. the error message. It will be book not found, and also whenever we got the error code 404. Whenever we've got our routes ready, we need app.run and debug equals true. Save it, run our application. Okay, it's already in use. Why it's already in use? Maybe I will just rerun. Oh, there must be some error. But right now, it's working as it should. I hope you enjoy it, like it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections. And see you at the next episode.